Yeah, g'day. Can I get 2 pieces of original recipe, please? Yep, it's for a recipe. It's for a recipe. Hi everyone, welcome to Haute or Naute Cuisine. Today I'm cooking up something that apparently has the internet frothing over. It's basically Kentucky Fried Chicken steamed rice. It's apparently really popular in Japan.
だってもうほら、もうこの中出てきてんもん。これは楽しみ楽しみ。
It's pretty simple to make. I thought I'd give it a go. If you like it, you can do it at home. So let's have a look. First of all, you're going to need all of this stuff here. I'm using Toyama Prefecture Koshihikari rice. The fancy stuff. Only the best in the food sack house. Now this is from like Asian grocery stores, Japanese grocery stores. But you can just use the sushi rice. You know, this recipe's from Japan, so I guess it would work best with Japanese rice. If you want to use some other rice, go for it. The closest you can get at Woolworths is just the sushi rice. It's Japanese rice, so it's much thicker and has more starch in it, so it might make a difference. I don't know. I'm just going to use 2 cups of rice. The recipe didn't say how much rice to use. Maybe you need to use 5 cups. I don't really know, but anyway, I'll just go with 2 because if it tastes like garbage, it's not a big waste of rice, which in my house, you get beaten up for doing that. So first of all, you need to sharpen the rice, or basically wash the rice. Now I have this little doohickey here to help. It's pretty cool. This is to wash away any residue rice powder. Look at this. I just add 1 cup of water for every 1 cup of rice. Some people do it in a different way, but I always do the simplest thing possible. So just 1 to 1. Some people like to measure it or something. I don't know, whatever. All right, so according to the recipe, you need a rice cooker actually. Not a lot of white people have rice cookers. You should get one. It makes cooking rice very simple. Oh! Alright, anyway, so you cook it in a rice cooker and then you put in the 2 pieces of original recipe. So you just like plop that right in. Burp. And then burp. So yeah, that doesn't look too good at the moment, but you know, maybe when it's done cooking it, it's much better. Who knows? Anyway, then to that, add some chicken stock and some soy sauce. Now, I don't know how much, so I'll just say to taste. That's pretty vague, but anyway. That'll do. Hope that's not too much. Now, I didn't have any chicken stock at home, but I had this stuff. I'm actually not 100% sure what this is, but it's some sort of soup base. You know, it's multi-purpose sort of flavor additive thing. It's kind of for a Chinese flavor. You can add it to fried rice or stir-fried veggies or seaweed soup. So I'm gonna add it to this. It's probably all right, but yeah, just use chicken stock. All right, so I'm just gonna add, I guess 2 spoons of this will do. 1, oh, whoops. All right, might stir that around. But yeah, I don't know. All right.
楽しみ楽しみ。
Boom! So I'm just gonna put that on for 20 minutes. Boom. All right, and then I'm just gonna wait around for 20 minutes. Maybe read a good book. You've done it again. All right, I think it's done. Let's have a look. Ooh. Definitely has that KFC aroma. Unmistakably smells like KFC. All right, the rice is bit crispy down the bottom. Not burnt, just crispy. All right, good. Let's get this out of there. So the chicken there is just falling apart, just right off the bone. Jeez. Alright, so that's what you're supposed to do. You stir it around. Alright, get it all mixed up. Hard to do one-handed. Ooh! Alright, let's serve that up. Alright, so let's try this out. That is not bad. Alright, so the aroma is definitely original recipe KFC. Let's have a try of the rice. Ooh. You still have to be careful of bones, but this is pretty good. It's got a Hainan chicken sort of vibe. You know, the taste of the chicken fat mixed with the rice. It's really quite good. You'd think the skin would go all soggy because it's been in water, but, well, I mean, you kind of don't realize if it already is soggy when you get it, so it doesn't make a difference. The chicken tastes just the same, so it hasn't lost any integrity there. But yeah, it really does add to the rice. It's quite good. Good thinking, whoever came up with this. So is this Haute cuisine or is it Naute cuisine? I am saying it is Haute cuisine. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. You should try it at home. I must say, one bit where I went wrong, I don't think I added enough water, to be honest. So the rice is maybe not cooked enough, but that's entirely my fault. But the flavor is there. It's actually really good. The soy sauce and the stock, I think, extended the flavor of the original recipe. Leo, do you want some? You want to try? No? No! Are you sure? No. Want some rice? 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 Would Sir like some? No. No? Okay. So, recommend it. Cook that up at home. Even if you're not a good cook, give it a go. The worst that can happen is you have something that doesn't taste very good, but, you know, you also learn from your mistakes. So, let me know in the comments if you want to see more recipes. Not that I have a lot of recipes to fall back on, but maybe you enjoyed looking at that. Leave a comment if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, press like, and if you work at KFC, try not to swear. Yep. Yep. Yeah, sure. Yep. Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry? Did you swear?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear that. No, all good. I love swearing. See ya.